In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and download files from Behance, whether they're your own or shared by others. Understanding how to access files on Behance is crucial, especially since Behance is primarily a platform for showcasing creative work rather than hosting original project files. It's not uncommon to find that direct downloads aren't always an option, but there are a few scenarios where you can retrieve files legally and ethically. Let's begin with downloading your own files from Behance. If you've previously uploaded images, videos, or documents to a project, it's important to know that Behance doesn't keep these files available for direct download after you've uploaded them. So, if you ever lose access to the originals and need a copy, one approach is to open your project and press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac. This will allow you to save your work as a PDF file, serving as a convenient digital backup. Alternatively, you can capture screenshots of the displayed work, although this might not be ideal for very high-resolution images or videos. Next, let's talk about scenarios where the creator has made their files available for download. Some designers choose to upload free resources such as Photoshop files, mock-ups, or templates onto Behance. In such cases, you'll typically find a direct download button or a link to an external site like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Gumroad within the project's description. Simply clicking the link will guide you to where you can download the file. Always make sure to respect the creator's terms of use and give proper credit if required. Sometimes, you might find that the creator hasn't offered their files for download. It's important to respect copyright and intellectual property. However, if you simply wish to save the project for your own reference or inspiration, you can save the page as a PDF. Navigate to your browser menu, select Print, and then choose Save as PDF. This way, you can keep a record of the project's content without infringing on any legal rights. In summary, the ability to access files on Behance greatly depends on your role as either the creator or a viewer, as well as the permissions the original designer has set. Always try to maintain best practices when dealing with files on the platform. Whether it comes to preserving your own work or appreciating others, respecting copyright ensures that creativity thrives within the community. I hope this guide has been helpful, and remember to always credit and support the incredible artists whose work inspires and motivates us. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments below and make sure to subscribe for more insightful guides just like this one.